Meaning of diffuseness.
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 Diffuseness. Diffuseness refers to the quality of being vague, unclear, or lacking in focus. It describes a state where something is spread out or dispersed in a way that makes it difficult to understand or pinpoint. When something is diffuse, it can be hard to identify its boundaries or distinguish its individual parts. This can lead to confusion or a lack of clarity. Diffuseness can refer to physical qualities, such as light or sound, as well as abstract concepts or ideas. Overall, diffuseness can make it challenging to communicate effectively and achieve specific goals.